the SARGENT Profile Series v.G1.5 with RF fob. In the v.G1.5 lock, each user ID is programmed to execute a different function. The individual ID numbers and what they do are customer selectable. Here we'll demonstrate a regular user, passage mode, as well as panic mode initiated by a fob. When locked, the outside lever will not rotate. A user simply enters their valid ID number and the latch can be retracted. The lock will rearm or relock after 5 seconds. To enable passage mode, an ID number with that functionality is entered. The G1.5 stays unlocked. Re-entering that ID again will toggle out of passage mode and the outside trim will stay locked. We'll now see how the G1.5 responds to a panic code, this time initiated from a fob. We'll put the G1.5 in passage mode so the outside lever is unlocked. Depressing the button on the fob sends an RF signal to the lock, in this case initiating panic mode. While in panic mode, the outside lever remains locked and all user credentials are disabled. Passage mode credentials are also disabled. It's okay to press the fob again. The door remains locked and stays in panic mode. The only way to relieve panic mode is by entering a master credential, typically known only to the system administrator. When equipped for RF fobs, the G1.5 has a red LED on the inside housing. Upon receiving a command from the RF fob, the LED flashes to alert users on the inside that the command has been received. The RF fob has a range of 75 feet inside the room. Locks may be set to passage mode for convenience during the day. Using an RF fob, an occupant can secure the lock from across the room without opening the door.